What's the deal, YouTube? No, but I'm smoking this bitch. I got a little mukbang for y'all. I got a little mukbang for y'all. It's been a little minute. It's been a long time. It's been about a year. I got mukbang. I got some Chinese, bro. I got some good egg roll. I'm from Detroit, bro, so I don't know how everybody else Chinese food looking come. But yeah, soy sauces. That shit's spilling. It's open. And I just got sesame chicken. Sesame chicken, shrimp fried rice, and you know I got something light. You feel me? Something simple. You feel me? Like. But before we get into this though, all right, we back, bro. Had to go do some shit real quick, but yeah, let's get into this shit, bro. Let's get into it. Like I said, I got good Chinese food. Sesame chicken, shrimp fried rice. Just something light, bro, for the little video. Feel me? But yeah, bro, it's been a minute since I've been posted on YouTube. It's been a minute, like it's been a good minute. I've been busy, bro, doing a lot, but shit, when I started this shit, I was in 11th grade. I graduated. It's been a lot, bro. It's been a lot. I was supposed to go to college and play football. That ain't work out how I wanted it to. You feel me? That ain't work out how I wanted it to. So I've been just making money, you know, working, doing what I do, making money. But I'm about to get consistent on YouTube, bro. Like, that's one thing I'm really finna do. I'm about to run it up. I got ideas. Couple channels coming. I got some heat finna come out for y'all, bro. I'm really trying to run it up. Yeah, I eat rice with a fork. I don't know about y'all niggas, but that's what I do. I got a lot in my head. I'm about to put it out, push it out, push it out. I'm coming with the heat. This content gonna be different, bro. You feel me? You feel me? I got shit in my head. And I'm not playing. You feel me? I've been away for too long. I've been watching all these YouTubers for years, bro. And it's just, I've been watching all these YouTubers for real. I didn't watch so many people go from nothing to something. I done seen people going from no job, niggas living with their dukes, no job, to out here in a big ass stupid crib somewhere in Texas. Feel me? And they like, I didn't watched it. I didn't seen it. I put my time into watching niggas, and now I feel like it's time for niggas to watch my shit. I'm about to show y'all niggas I'm about to show y'all niggas what I want to put on YouTube, nigga. You feel me? Some people gonna fuck with it. Some people don't. Some people might not. But it's okay. Because we gonna stay consistent. We stay consistent. Consistent smoke. You feel me? Real talk. But yeah, bro, I got, this is one of the ideas I had. Shit, mukbang. I ain't did no mukbang, bro. Let's get it, bro. I'm trying to run it up, bro. I ain't gonna say too much about what's coming, but we got some card content coming. I'm gonna do some trends for y'all, some shit that's going around already. Just cause I got look, I got y'all. I got y'all. I got what the people wanna see. Feel me? And I'm gonna be giving niggas credit for using their idea. You feel me? Shout out to who so and so where I seen them do this from, because niggas don't be doing that shit. And then at the end of the day, it'll start some shit. I don't give a fuck about that, but I feel do give credit where credit is due. You feel me? That's how I feel. And I'm drinking on that Minute Maid peach punch. You feel me? Feel me? That punching, I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, bro. I graduated 2021. I started this channel. In 2020. 2020, I think. I dropped a couple videos, deleted a couple videos. Yeah, I got discouraged. And you know, shit just kept happening and happening. So it's just like, man, I would say I'm about to drop a YouTube video, but shit'll happen and it won't happen. I won't drop that bitch, or I didn't drop it, or some, you know, I just don't be. I'll be some shit. I just like I should put that shit on YouTube. Some shit is just like, damn, I wasn't even thinking about recording this shit, bro. I just be like that, bro. I get caught up in life. Shit get busy. Shit, sometimes niggas start going through shit. Oh shit, I don't wanna drop the food. But no matter what, I'm coming with the shits and I'm about to be consistent. I don't know if I'm gonna eat all this shit. I got a lot of rice in here. Like, let me just fuck out, bro. Oh, shit. There's a bunch of rice in this, baby. You feel me? I don't know if I'm gonna eat all this shit, but it's good, bro. I just moved. I got my own crib. I got my own crib, bro. I'm doing shit. I'm about to be 20 next month. I'm doing shit that a lot of you all niggas ain't doing. But I ain't gonna talk shit. You know, it be like that sometimes, you feel me? But I had to get focused. Start working on shit for me, you feel me? Doing shit that's gonna benefit me. A lot of niggas don't be taking care of themselves, bro. I was one of those niggas. I would always help take care of other people, but not take care of myself, bro. Now I'm taking care of myself. Now I'm trying to do what's gonna get me to where I wanna be, you feel me? That's it. It's all it is to it, you know? Once y'all niggas get where you wanna be in order, and then start putting in emotion and putting in that work for what you want, you're gonna get there. Just watch. Watch me. Cause shit already starting to fall into place and I'm having my way. I'm not saying I'm having my way like everything going my way. I'm saying like I'm having shit, bro. Shit's starting to happen for me. So let's get it. I'm ready. That's all I'm saying, bro. Fuck with the kids. You feel me? Fuck with the kids. And I'm gonna fuck with y'all. I'm about to start streaming. I play 2K. I be busting niggas' ass. And look, I'm about to start recording that shit. So y'all niggas can see that. I be streaking. I'm going crazy. It be me and my brother in the rando, you feel me? We be carrying niggas. Busting ass. Y'all be ass. That shit good as fuck, bro. I was thinking about getting some other shit, but thinking about getting some lao mein noodles. But I should have fucked up. And then I got a shrimp egg roll. I never had a shrimp egg roll. It's cabbage. I don't like cabbage egg rolls, bro. This shit is burning me. What the fuck? Motherfucker hot still. But I don't like cabbage egg rolls, bro. It don't smell like cabbage. It don't smell like cabbage egg roll, but I don't fuck with cabbage egg rolls, bro. And this, we gonna see. Nah, bro. I mean, hold on. Hold on, duck sauce. Hold on. Hold on. I don't eat cabbage egg rolls, but they nasty, but I don't know what's going on. It's nasty, but I mean, this one not nasty. Let me throw this trash away. Yeah. For some reason, it's not nasty. That's crazy. Because normally, I hate cabbage egg rolls, bro. And it's low-key good. Like it's good, bro. Like, I don't know what's going on. That's crazy. And I don't eat duck sauce either, I ain't gonna lie. But I need something to go with this cabbage taste. Like, it ain't heavy cabbage taste because it's straight. But I don't know. I wouldn't buy this shit again. Let's try it, bro. Let's try it, bro. Let's try it. But just bear with the kid, bro. And like I said, fuck with me, and I'ma fuck with y'all. Like, in the future, I'm gonna do giveaways. I don't know niggas like, some people be doing giveaways, but I ain't never heard a nigga won the giveaway. Like, I know Josh Laurent did this cat pack. He gave that bitch away. I think that nigga Corey be giving shit away and niggas be getting it. I know he sold his Hellcat and that nigga Quan bought that bitch. But I don't know, bro. I don't know. I know somebody done won some shit from DMB Nation before, but I don't know a lot of niggas that be getting shit and won. Every B gave away a 99 Nation chain, nigga went to go get that bitch. So some niggas, yeah, that shit getting too loud in the background. Some niggas, yeah, but other niggas, I don't know. But that's in the future though. That's some when we get to this channel to where we want to be type shit. You feel me? But it's just looking ahead, looking at where I want to be. I want to take this channel to places that I want to reach heights. Hey, that punch is punching, bro. That bitch is punching. But excuse me. I'm my car channel, bro. I got I'm about to get this car. I'm not gonna tell y'all what car y'all gonna see on the car channel. Like excuse me, bro. Excuse me. The car, bro. Y'all gonna love it. It's one of my dream cars. But we ain't gonna talk too much about that. You feel me? Like I said, I got some heat coming. And I got vlogs. Y'all niggas wanna know what I be doing. So guess what? I got vlogs. Y'all wanna know what I be doing? Y'all gonna see what I mean when I say I'm busy. I got vlogs. Okay? Okay? I see a lot of people fuck with the vlogs, so shit, I even fuck with the vlogs. And I got some shit. Cause I'm about to start doing more shit. I'm about to get more busy. Be busier. Cause we're chasing something now. You feel me? Goals to reach. And I ain't gonna stop till I reach. You feel me? We got shit going on. A lot of shit going on. We got some shit coming. We got some shit going on. The best is coming. I still ain't put a dent in this shit yet, bro. I mean, I did, but not for real. Not for real. Look. There's still a bunch of rice in it, but I just can't wait. My fault. I'm spitting on y'all. Damn. I just can't wait to get this shit. Get the ball rolling. Feel me? I ain't in no rush on being patient. But guess what? The sooner it happens, the better for me. You feel me? Let's get it. Y'all gonna watch me run it up with YouTube and everything else because I'm vlogging. Look. Y'all gonna fuck with it. And some of y'all not. I don't care. You feel me? I don't care. Cause these niggas gonna watch my videos because they don't fuck with me. Just to see what that, just so they can see what the fuck I'm doing. Niggas don't even fuck with me. And I mean it, like, they don't fuck with me. Like, niggas don't like me. But they gonna watch me just to see what I'm doing. Niggas be doing that shit. Y'all niggas weird. What I'm talking about. Some nonsense. But, I'm not gonna finish all that shit. I wasn't even hungry. Like, I ain't ate all day, but I wasn't hungry. I just made myself eat this shit. For the fucking subscribers. You feel me? Cause I fuck with y'all. Cause y'all gonna fuck with me. You feel me? It's a bunch of rice in this bitch. Sesame shrimp. Okay. But and it's slushy. Feel me? Slushy. I ain't gonna finish that, but Oh yeah. But yeah, bro. That's it. Just stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy No Bueno smoking this bitch. Big No Bueno shit. Have a beautiful night.